For a lot of gardeners, your most loved tool is probably a shovel or a spade. There are lots of uses for this tool in the garden, and it really is the only thing you need to successfully divide perennials in your garden. But if you're getting ready to divide perennials in your garden, there are a few other tools that you might want to have in your tool shed to help you with this process. You might get a spading fork like this one. It can dig up roots without disturbing them quite as much as a spade will. It won't cut quite so many roots and will still be able to uproot the plant. You can also use two of these together to tease apart thick root balls. If you're gardening in a small space, you also might consider getting some smaller tools for dividing perennials. A soil knife is a great tool all around in the garden. It helps dig, but it also has some cutting edges. One's serrated and one is straight to help you make cuts in roots and tubers. Or you might get a thinner shovel to help you dig around some of those tighter spaced plants. If you're gardening with perennials, these are some great tools to have at the ready in case you need to divide some of your plants.